Thinking Outside the Box, How to Foster Creativity. Title: Thinking Outside the Box, How to Foster Creativity. Introduction, 150 words. Creativity is the powerhouse driving innovation and progress in all aspects of our lives. It is through creative thinking that we solve problems, develop new ideas, and ignite change. However, fostering creativity is not as simple as just flipping a switch. It requires a conscious effort to break free from conventional thinking and embrace a mindset that encourages thinking outside the box. In this article, we will explore the importance of creativity and how we can nurture and enhance this essential skill. 1. Understanding creativity, 200 words. Creativity is the ability to generate original and innovative ideas, concepts, or solutions. It involves making connections between seemingly unrelated ideas and perceiving things from different perspectives. Creativity is not limited to artistic endeavors but is applicable in all domains, including science, technology, business, and everyday life. 2. Embrace open-mindedness, 200 words. To foster creativity, we must cultivate an open-minded approach to ideas and perspectives. Being open-minded means being receptive to new experiences, different opinions, and alternative viewpoints. By embracing open-mindedness, we create an environment where unique ideas can flourish without judgment or criticism. 3. Encourage curiosity and exploration, 200 words. Curiosity is the driving force behind creativity. Encouraging curiosity helps broaden our knowledge and challenges us to explore new territories. We need to spend time exploring different subjects, engaging in new hobbies, and constantly seeking new experiences to fuel our creative fire. 4. Embrace failure and learn from mistakes, 200 words. Failure is often seen as the antithesis of success, but in reality, it is a stepping stone on the path to creativity. Embracing failure means accepting that setbacks are a natural part of the creative process. By reframing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, we can overcome fear and take more risks, ultimately unlocking our creative potential. 5. Cultivate a collaborative environment, 200 words. Creativity thrives in environments that foster collaboration and teamwork. By including diverse perspectives and encouraging collaboration, we can tap into a collective pool of ideas and build upon each other's strengths. Collaborative environments capitalize on the strengths of individuals, promoting creativity and enabling breakthrough innovation. 6. Emphasize flexibility and adaptability, 200 words. Creativity demands flexibility and adaptability. Being able to adapt to changing circumstances and think on our feet opens up new possibilities for innovation. Encouraging flexible thinking allows us to tackle challenges from different angles, finding creative solutions that may have otherwise been overlooked. 7. Make time for reflection and solitude, 200 words. In the fast-paced world we live in, it is crucial to make time for reflection and solitude. Taking time away from constant noise and distractions allows our minds to wander, giving space for new connections and ideas to surface. Solitude creates an environment where we can delve into our thoughts and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, fostering creativity in the process. 8. Incorporate playfulness and fun, 200 words. Creativity thrives in an atmosphere of playfulness and fun. When we let go of rigid expectations and allow ourselves to be playful, we open up new pathways for innovative ideas to emerge. Engaging in activities that bring joy and spark our imagination can help unlock our creative potential. Whether it's playing games, engaging in artistic pursuits, or simply letting our inner child come out to play, incorporating playfulness into our lives can help us tap into our creative energy. 9. Seek inspiration from different sources, 200 words.